Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Your bookmarks and history are stored in a single file, Places. SQLite, in your Profile folder. To open your Profile folder, Help Troubleshooting Information, then next to Profile Directory, click the Open Containing Folder button to open the Profile folder.
Take our lead.
First, Firefox automatically creates backups of your bookmarks, which can be helpful if your bookmarks are lost or missing. Greater than bookmarks and select Show All Bookmarks. At the top of the library window, click on Import and Backup and select Restore. Your bookmarks from the selected date should now be restored.
Take our lead.
If you were using the Bookmarks toolbar for quick access to your favorite bookmarks and the toolbar is now missing, you may have turned off the option to display the Bookmarks toolbar. To turn it back on, right-click on an empty section of the navigation bar and select Bookmarks toolbar in the pop-up menu.
Take our lead.
Open your Profile folder. Click the Menu button, click Help and select Troubleshooting Information. From the Help menu, select Troubleshooting Information. Under the Application Basics section next to Profile folder, click Open Folder Show in Finder Open Directory. A window will open that contains your Profile folder.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.